Go.
Go.
I go to work every morning.
I go to work every morning.
Come.
Come.
Please come inside and sit here.
Please come inside and sit here.
Write.
Write.
I write in my notebook every day.
I write in my notebook every day.
Read.
Read.
I read a short story at night.
I read a short story at night.
Sit.
Sit.
Please sit on this chair.
Please sit on this chair.
Please stand by the door.
Stand.
Okay.
Stand.
Please stand by the door. Okay.
Please stand near the door.
Please stand
Please
by the
stand
door.
near the
Okay.
door.
Walk.
Walk.
I walk in the park every morning.
I walk in the park every morning.
Run.
Run.
I run with my friend outside.
I run with my friend outside.
Eat.
Eat.
I eat breakfast before going to work.
I eat breakfast before going to work.
Drink.
Drink.
I drink plenty of water every day.
I drink plenty of water every day.
Sleep.
Sleep.
I sleep early on weekdays.
I sleep early on weekdays.
Wake.
Wake.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
Open.
Open.
Please open the window for me.
Please open the window for me.
Close.
Close.
Please close the door quietly.
Please close the door quietly.
Look.
Look.
Please look at this picture carefully.
Please look at this picture carefully.
Listen.
Listen.
Please listen to your teacher carefully.
Please listen to your teacher carefully.
Speak.
Speak.
Please speak slowly and clearly.
Please speak slowly and clearly.
Talk.
Talk.
I talk to my friend every evening.
I talk to my friend every evening.
Smile.
Smile.
Please smile for the photo.
Please smile for the photo.
Laugh.
Laugh.
We laugh together after dinner.
We laugh together after dinner.
Cry.
Cry.
The baby cries when he is hungry.
The baby cries when he is hungry.
Jump.
Jump.
The children jump in the playground.
The children jump in the playground.
Play.
Play.
The children play outside after school.
The children play outside after school.
Study.
Study.
I study English every evening.
I study English every evening.
Learn.
Learn.
I learn new English words daily.
I learn new English words daily.
Teach.
Teach.
She teaches English at our school.
She teaches English at our school.
Ask.
Ask.
Please ask me if you need help.
Please ask me if you need help.
Answer.
Answer.
Please answer this question carefully.
Please answer this question carefully.
Call.
Call.
I call my mother every evening.
I call my mother every evening.
Help.
Help.
Please help me carry this bag.
Please help me carry this bag.
Give.
Give.
Please give me a glass of water.
Please give me a glass of water.
Take.
Take.
Please take this book with you.
Please take this book with you.
Bring.
Bring.
Please bring your notebook tomorrow.
Please bring your notebook tomorrow.
Keep.
Keep.
Please keep your phone on the table.
Please keep your phone on the table.
Put.
Put.
Please put the keys in my bag.
Please put the keys in my bag.
Hold.
Hold.
Please hold my hand while crossing.
Please hold my hand while crossing.
Wash.
Wash.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
Clean.
Clean.
I clean my room every morning.
I clean my room every morning.
Cook.
Cook.
I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
Cut.
Cut.
I cut the vegetables for dinner.
I cut the vegetables for dinner.
Make.
Make.
I make tea every morning.
I make tea every morning.
Buy.
Buy.
I buy fresh vegetables from the market.
I buy fresh vegetables from the market.
Pay.
Pay.
I pay the bill at the counter.
I pay the bill at the counter.
Choose.
Choose.
Please choose the color you like.
Please choose the color you like.
Show.
Show.
Please show me your new phone.
Please show me your new phone.
Find.
Find.
I cannot find my house keys.
I cannot find my house keys.
Wait.
Wait.
Please wait here for a minute.
Please wait here for a minute.
Stay.
Stay.
I stay with my family on weekends.
I stay with my family on weekends.
Leave.
Leave.
I leave home early for work.
I leave home early for work.
Move.
Move.
Please move this chair near the table.
Please move this chair near the table.
Turn.
Turn.
Turn left after the traffic light.
Turn left after the traffic light.
Push.
Push.
Please push the door slowly.
Please push the door slowly.
Pull.
Pull.
Please pull the chair closer.
Please pull the chair closer.
Pick.
Pick.
Please pick up your bag from the floor.
Please pick up your bag from the floor.
Drop.
Drop.
Be careful not to drop your phone.
Be careful not to drop your phone.
Throw.
Throw.
Please throw the paper in the bin.
Please throw the paper in the bin.
Wear.
Wear.
I wear comfortable clothes at home.
I wear comfortable clothes at home.
Change.
Change.
I change my clothes after work.
I change my clothes after work.
Brush.
Brush.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Drive.
Drive.
I drive my car to work.
I drive my car to work.
Ride.
Ride.
I ride my bicycle in the evening.
I ride my bicycle in the evening.
Stop.
Stop.
Please stop the car near the gate.
Please stop the car near the gate.
Start.
Start.
I start my work after breakfast.
I start my work after breakfast.
Finish.
Finish.
I finish my homework before dinner.
I finish my homework before dinner.
Meet.
Meet.
I meet my friend after work.
I meet my friend after work.
Send.
Send.
Please send me the address today.
Please send me the address today.
Check.
Check.
Please check your bag before leaving.
Please check your bag before leaving.
Use.
Use.
I use my phone to call my family.
I use my phone to call my family.
Need.
Need.
I need your help with this box.